Good news! As a thank you for supporting our channel, we are giving away $2,000 in cash prizes and PayPal money to 20 subscribers or $200 each. Here are the 4 simple steps you need to take to enter this $2,000 giveaway. First of all, subscribe to our channels and turn on all of the bells so you don't miss any new videos. Like all of our videos by clicking the like button. Share all of our videos on social media and other platforms. For example, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and different group chats with your friends and family. And finally, number 4, which is the most important, is that I want you to count how many times I say the word money in the video. Leave a comment below with the number and your best reason why you love watching our videos. Make sure you do all 4 steps in our videos for the rest of the month, and 20 lucky winners will be announced again through our community posts on our channel every single month. Make sure you check out our videos and new content every day. Do you want to make money through PayPal in the same way? Over $260, and right here another PayPal payment over $300. And guess what? You can just repeat this as much as you want, and this is actually very simple, very easy, that anyone can do this without any experience. And in fact, this is 100% free. You don't need any money or investment to get started, and you can do this in any country in the world. Now in this short video, I'll show you how to sign up for a free account. I'll use different examples to show you how to do this step by step. And at the end of this video, I'll give you a copy and paste template as a bonus, so you can start making money through PayPal right away. So make sure to watch the whole video until the end, so you don't miss any important steps. Before we start the video, make sure to subscribe all our YouTube channels and press the bell icon for more videos. In this video, I'll show you a website called Capterra where you can quickly earn a lot of PayPal money. You can just go to capterra.com. Now, here are 2 warnings to give you before you leave this video or skip any part of it. The first thing is that it's a little hard to sign up here. Here you can see the whole process of signing up. There are only 3 steps you have to take. If you don't watch the whole video, you won't be able to sign up and make money. And the second reason you should keep watching this video is that at the end I'll show you a template that you can copy and paste. In fact, I'll show you exactly how I make money through PayPal on this website. You can copy everything I show you, and I'll give it to you for free at the end of this video, which is why you should keep watching. First though, let me show you how it works. Now it sounds like you're going to pay you money on Capterra.com, right? You can get real cash just by writing simple reviews of software. So as you can see, they have hundreds of thousands of different kinds of software right here on this website. You can get paid for every review you write, even if it's just a simple one. You don't need any technical skills, so don't worry. You don't need any experience or money, and you don't even need to speak English well. In this video, I'll show you everything step by step. You can do this pretty much anywhere in the world. In fact, I'll show you how to copy and paste the whole review I've written for you. After you watch this video, you can just copy and paste it to start making money. So without wasting any more of your time, we'll jump right into showing you how to write a review step by step. First, I want you to go to Capterra's homepage and click on the link right here on the top right that says a review. From there, you'll be taken to this page where you can search for any product, right? Or if you want to write a review about a company or piece of software, you can look here to see what popular software you can review. So in this video, I'll give you a special bonus tip. Focus on PowerPoint. It's actually very easy and simple, and I'll show you my whole template that you can copy and paste as you can see here. So right now, I want you to type in the word PowerPoint, which you can see here, and click on the search button. Then when you scroll down, you should look for this link, which says PowerPoint by Microsoft, and click on it. Congratulations! You'll be taken to this page where you can easily write a review for PowerPoint. Again, this is something you can do on your phone. This can be done on a computer. In fact, I'd like you to leave a comment below and tell me what kind of devices you're using. Do you use a phone or do you use a computer? But anyway, if you scroll down below, you'll see that this is the whole process for how to write a simple review for PowerPoint. You can do this in less than 2 minutes and get $10 for it. But if you look at the very bottom of this page, you can see that this is just the first step. This video has a total of 3 steps, and I'll show you how to do everything step by step. Make sure you watch the whole video and don't miss the free bonus we'll give you at the end. So let's start with the first part of step 1, which is to enter some personal information. Just write down your first name, last name, email address, and job title. Very crucial. You're going to do everything I tell you to do from now on. Now for the job title, I want you to put freelancer. This is very important because if you don't have a job title, they won't accept your review and you won't get paid. From there, you can just write self-employed for the business name. Simple and for the business world. When you click on this down arrow, you can now choose any industry you want. So right now, if you're working, you can just choose the industry you're in, or if you're not, you can just put in computer software since you're basically writing a review for software. Again, you don't need any experience. If you're self-employed, you can choose any company size. How long have you used the software? Now this is very important. If you click on this option, you can see if the free trial is less than 6 months or more than a year. Now you won't get paid if you choose free trial. So it's very important that you choose a time range of at least 6 to 12 months so they know you've used the software before. The second part of this step is to ask how often you use this software. You can click here to choose an option, and I want you to pick from it at least once a week. Choose on weekly. Lastly, what do you do when you use this software? It's very important to make sure you pick this one. I am a user because you want to be the one using the software yourself so that they will accept your review and you can make money. So if you're still watching right now, you've done a great job. That's how you finish step 1. To move on, just click the next button. So moving on, we'll go into the second step. So basically on this step, they want you to rate the software you are using right now by saying how many stars you give it. You can choose and read anything you want. It's a very easy step that only takes a few clicks. But before we go any further, I want you to make sure you've subscribed to the channel and turned on the bell so I can get more videos about making money in the future. Now you can see that there are a few things like overall quality that they want you to rate. So in this case, we strongly suggest that you give 4 to 5 stars to make it much easier to get accepted. So in this case, as you can see here, I just gave 5 stars for all of these things. For example, customer service got 5 stars, value for money got 5 stars, and so on. Now, even though they say it's optional, I really think you should read them too if you want to get in. So in this case, as you can see, I just gave 5 stars for all of these criteria and am moving on. How does the price of PowerPoint compare to other products that do the same thing? Again, this question is optional, but I want to make sure you answer it too. In this case, I chose 1 meter. How likely is it that you would recommend PowerPoint to a friend or coworker? Now in this case, I'll pick number 9 or 10 because it's a very good piece of software that I love and that I also love to tell other people about. So I'll just choose online this time. As you can see, you can do this in less than 10 seconds. Just click the next button to move on to the last step, step 3. Now this is super important because a lot of people don't make money on this website because they don't know how to write a review. You can see here that you could give your review a title. You will write about what you like and don't like about the software. After that, you still have to talk about how you've used PowerPoint in general. In this step, there are many things to write, and many people are in trouble. They have no idea what to do next. I want you to keep watching this video because of this. So as you can see, this is the whole script I want to show you. We can look at a PowerPoint review here, and if you do it right, you can make $10 in less than 2 minutes. It's insane. Using this exact method, you can earn $2 per minute and keep getting paid through PayPal. Now you can see here that this is basically the whole process. And here are all the bad things about this software and your experience as a whole. That's all we need to know. And we can just copy and paste this answer into our review right here. The reason why this is so important is that gonna make sure your initial first few reviews are accepted. And then they'll send you more and more reviews to keep on doing that. And you can earn money again and again. Now for a lot of beginners, when they fail to get approved on their first submission, they will not receive any more reviews in the future. But if you use my proven script, you can literally get approved today, within 24 hours, and receive your earnings. Now in just a moment, I'll show you how to copy and paste my template, but I do want to share with you another strategy. Now, for example, when you go on to Captura, your own website, you can actually check out other people's reviews about PowerPoint. You can see it here on this website. You can just scroll down below and look for literally hundreds and thousands of people they are leaving review about PowerPoint. You can see that they showed you all the pros and cons right here on their website. This is the actual review that left by other people and a lot of people that are living reviews and making a lot of money. Say for example, this guy Charles, right? This is actually his review, that's the title, and that's the overall experience, and that's actually the pros and cons that he left on the website. And by just simply leaving this review, he's making $10. So you can see here when I scroll down below this another guy that is leaving a review, and you can see here there are literally so many people from different countries in the world. They are leaving a simple review about PowerPoint and they get paid every single day. And guess what? You can simply go onto this website and you can check out literally tens of thousands of reviews by other people who are already making money on this website. And you can get some inspiration and ideas on exactly how they're writing their review. And you can copy some of their sentences, you can refer to them. You can put your own twist and your thoughts into their review as well. And that's the extra strategy they're going to share with you to get a lot of inspiration and idea on how to write the review. Now, a lot of people, they don't share this secret and strategy with you, but I want to make sure that I can help you as much as possible. If you appreciate that, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. So basically, for the title of your review, you are going to write something something like this very simple PowerPoint review. That's all you gotta do. And for the pros category under these boxes, going to write something about what you like about this software. Now basically, that's the script that was written for you. Can just copy this script right here and just click on copyright. Copy the entire answer. We're gonna go back here and paste everything right here into this box. And that's the entire process. So instead of moving on, you can do the same thing for the cons you can see here. Just go back to the script, and there are cons, right? Just copy this and click the copy button. Once more, come back to this box and paste everything in. So that's all you have to do for 2 boxes. Describe your overall experience with PowerPoint for the last question. Again, it's not required, but here you can see that many people who make money on this website do answer this question. This guy is actually answering this question, as you can see here. Here you can see that this guy is also giving an answer to this question. So if they want to get paid, they must answer this question. So once more, that's really what my whole experience has been like, as you can see here. I'll just mark my whole answer and hit the copy button. Go back here and copy and paste everything into this box. That's all you have to do for the whole review. Now, this is the hardest part for a lot of people, but you can do it in less than a minute because first, you can get this copy and paste template, and second, you know how to refer to other people who have already submitted their reviews successfully. So I tried to make my video as easy as I could for all of you who have never done this before. And once more, if you want to switch from another product, you can just click no. And if you want to switch to this one, you can just click yes to the terms and conditions and then submit. It is as simple as that. Now, as you can see, your review of the product has been sent. You can now just repeat the whole plan. You can just keep going and look for another product or piece of software to write a simple review of. This will let you make $10 in less than 2 minutes. Again, they have hundreds of thousands of different kinds of software that you can write a simple review of. You can also just look at what other people have said. Just search on Google for other people's reviews and use their answers as a starting point. Then you can keep doing this over and over again. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell for more videos. I'll see you in the following video. Thanks for watching.